following question reads, a sample of 16 grams of metal oxide, MO. So the formula is already given, it's MO. The ratio of MnO in the formula is 1:1, is reduced to 12.8 grams of the metal M. What is the relative atomic mass AR of M? So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and find the empirical formula MO because the masses are given. The mass of M is given as, it's given over here, it's given as 12.8 grams. So that is provided. Plus the mass of oxygen can also be found. The mass of oxygen can be found because the total mass is given as 16 grams, of which 12.8 grams is the metal M. So the remaining 3.2 grams is going to be the mass of oxygen. Now the step 1 of finding empirical formula is that you divide by the AR to find moles, because you want to find the ratio of M and O in the formula. So mass is given, you convert that into moles, you divide 12.8 by the AR of M, so you divide it by the AR of M, which we do not know, which we need to calculate. That's the whole question. And for oxygen we know the AR because that's 16. So you can find the AR, and what you're going to get is the moles of the two substances in the formula. And according to the formula, the ratio should be 1:1, which means the number of moles of M and the number of moles of O in the formula are 1:1. So this ratio should come out to be equal to, it should come out to be equal to 1:1, which means that if it comes out to be 1:1, which means these moles and these moles, they must be equal. So to solve this question, you need to make them equal. So once you've made them equal, it's going to be very easy to find the AR. You just need to make AR the subject of the equation. So if you do that, then AR is going to be equal to, it's going to be equal to 12.8, and that would be multiplied by this 16 would go over here and 3.2 would come at the bottom. So it would be multiplied by 16 and divided by 3.2. And this value comes out to be equal to 64. So your correct answer, it's going to be B. Option B is going to be your correct option for this question.